friends, this is our project vehicle presence based automatic solar street light system. So in this project I am going to first explain each and every component, then I will show you the working, how this project is working. Before moving further, let me just explain you the circuit diagram of this project. So you can see that we are using 8051 microcontroller and we are using 3 IR sensors. So these are the 3 IR sensors, first, second, third, and these are the third relay, and these are the 3 relay 1, 2, 3, and we are using 3 street lights 1, 2, 3, and you can see that the connection is as we have done in the programming. So the connections point, you can see that pin number 1 of the 8051 microcontroller is connected to this first IR sensor, similarly pin number 2nd, 3rd. So you can rely on these connections, otherwise I am giving the wiring diagram as well below. This is 7805 voltage regulator because the IR sensor and relays are working on 5 volt, but these street lights are working on, you can say 12 volt, or you can give the power supply of 7.4 volt as well to drive these LED. And this is the solar panel which is charging the battery through this diode, and this is a toggle switch to on and off the power supply of this complete project. We have used a AC source as well, so that AC source you can apply on the PCB of this 8051 microcontroller, which I am going to explain you later, which I am going to explain you soon. So in this project, this is the only circuit which we have to make this circuit. So you can buy any 8051 microcontroller circuit, or you can just download the PCB or the circuit design from my website circuitsbazaar.com, right? So this is the only circuit. All other things in this project are ready-made, you can see that. So let me just give you the resources. So this is the website circuitsbazaar.com. So if you will go for recent article, or the link is given in the description below of this project, how to make automatic vehicle presence based street light system. So in this article I have explained everything, like why we have made this project and the components we are using and the circuit diagram which I have recently explained you. And this is the microcontroller section or power supply circuit diagram. You can download the PCB as well, link is given below. And this is the summary of the project, the working principle, what IR sensor is doing, what microcontroller is doing. I have explained each and everything. You will see the programming as well in this project. You will see that this is the programming. So I have explained the complete programming line by line in this project. So if you will go through the programming, you will get the meaning, because I have explained the code very well over here. If you want to download the PCB design, then you can just click on this download link, so you will be able to download the PCB as well. So I have given the PDF as well, or if you are interested in working Eagle software, so you can modify this PCB as well, because I have attached the schematic and board file both. So this is how this project is, like I have explained on my website. If you like it, you can buy the kit as well, or you can make yourself, because I have given you all the resources to make this project. If you like this, you just subscribe our channel and like the video. So this project is using solar panel to light up the complete project, or you can say the street lights. And this is the AC power supply. If you want to run this project on the AC, then you can run on the AC as well. So this adapter will come along with the project. The capacity of this adapter is 12 volt 1.5 ampere, and this is a fast battery charger. So if you want to charge these battery very fast, then you can use this charger as well. So this will also come along with the project. And this is the solar panel. So right now you can see that this LED is glowing. Although the project is off, you can see that over here it's written off. Although the project is off, but still this LED is glowing. Why? Because the solar panel we are using is this black plate solar panel, which can even generate electricity if you are inside a building as well. So right now there is only like LED lights around me, but still it's getting enough light to generate the electricity, and this is the indicator which is showing that. Okay, and these are the lithium ion high quality battery which will be charged through this solar panel. And this is the on off switch. So this is doing 3 things. If you will take it in this direction, then it's off, or if you want to run it through AC, then you can apply in this mode directly AC power supply, so the system will light up. And this is the battery. So if you will move this like toggle switch in this direction, then the battery will power the complete project. And this is the power input for the AC. And this is the microcontroller, which is 8051. You can buy it anywhere from like let's say Amazon or internet, or you can buy it from us as well, And this is the 7805 voltage regulator. Although this 7805 voltage regulator is also enough, because we are not having too much load, but still for the safety I have used another 7805 voltage regulator to power up these relays and the IR sensor. Okay, now further if I talk about the relays work is to get signal from the microcontroller and will turn on and off the LEDs, or you can say the street lights. And this is the IR sensor. So what's happening in the IR sensor, as soon as it will sense any vehicle coming in front of this IR sensor, it will give command to the microcontroller, and then the microcontroller will give give respective command to the relay so that this street light in front of the vehicle could be on, and this process will be repeated for all the LED section. Like this sensor will on this one, this sensor will on this one, and the street light would be on till the time the vehicle is not crossing the further sensor. Okay, now let me just show you the working, how it's working. So let me just apply the AC power supply. So this is the AC power supply, and now I am going to apply it. Now you can see that the project is powered up, and this LED indicator is just showing the power has been given to the circuit, and all these IR sensor having the LED signals, this one and this one. Okay, now let me just consider this as a vehicle. So if vehicle will come in front of this sensor, then the LED light, or you can say the street light in front of this sensor will be on like this. The street light is on. Now if the vehicle move further, then you will see that this light would be off as soon as the vehicle will cross this sensor, and the further light would be on, and this process will keep on repeating, right? So this is how it's happening, automatic vehicle presence based solar street light system, right? Now if it will cross this IR sensor, the LEDs in the back end will be off, and the LED in front of this vehicle would be on. So this is how it's working. So this is very smart idea to save the energy. Now let me just show you how it's working on the battery. So for the battery, you just need to directly toggle it in this direction. Okay, otherwise you can just take out this as well, right? Now it's off, it's on. So my batteries are not properly charged because I have used them a lot. So this is the manual charger. You can charge through this manual charger as well. Otherwise you can use this solar panel as well, which is already inbuilt in the project. Now the vehicle will come in front of this IR sensor. You will see that this street light is on because batteries are not like very charged. So that's why its intensity of the street light is very low, right? If you will charge the battery, then the intensity will increase subsequently. So this is how this is working. So this is very like smart idea to save the energy. So if you want to make this project, you can go to the website circuitsbazaar.com. Over there you will find the circuit diagram, code, and all the detail regarding this project. You can make if you have a little bit experience in the projects, or you can buy the kit from us as well. So we provide the complete detail regarding this kit, and you can also have this kit from us. Thank you. And you will get everything in the kit. So you will get this adapter as well, and this as well, and the complete project. Thank you.